In this video, we're going to be looking at a really simple 3D printing project. And we're going to be using Inkscape to create some artwork. Then we'll go into Bambu Studio to actually create our 3D model. And let me show you what we're making today. So we have a need to replicate a belt buckle. So let me find my image here. Here's our belt buckle. So the question was, how do we create a 3D model to recreate this belt buckle? Well, it's really simple to do. So we're going to right click on our image and we're going to choose Trace Bitmap. And you can see that we're going to get something that looks like this with the brightness and cutoff function here in Inkscape. And that is probably okay as is, but as we pull that slider, you can kind of see what happens here. So that right there is probably good enough. So we're going to hit apply, and now we have our vector version of our belt buckle. So now what I want to do is I want to come up here to path and break that apart. Okay, because all I need is that piece right there. I don't need all this extra junk. Okay, I just need that silhouette. Okay, and so now I might just go ahead and just rotate this a little bit so it's a little bit more horizontal. So now what I need is I don't really know how big this belt is, but I want to show you if you know what belt size, what that fits in here, then we can resize this really easily. So let's just grab a rectangle here and drag it out here, roughly that width, okay? And let's say I want my belt, I say my belt is 1.5 inches, okay? Well, an inch is about 25 millimeters, okay? So we would have to add 12 to 25, which would give us 37. So let's say I want that to be 40. I want a little bit of wiggle room for my belt. All right, so I need that to be 40 millimeters. So the way we calculate this is we would come in here and tell it what we want, which is 40, divided by what we have, which is 212.7. Okay, and we'll hit equals. And here you can see if we scale it to 19% of its current size, that will make this red rectangle 40 millimeters. Okay, so just slightly more than 1.5 inches. So we'll select them both. We'll come over here to transform, and then we will choose scaling, scale proportionally, and we want this to be 19% because that's what we calculated. And so now when I select my red rectangle, you can see we're at 40.4 millimeters. Well, that is pretty darn close. And so there you go. So we'll go ahead and just save that. Okay, so we're in Inkscape by default saves to SVG. And then what we would do, of course, is pop over here to Bambu Studio and import our SVG. And there's our belt buckle. And there you go. Problem solved. Now, when we import here in Bambu Studio by default, it's going to be 10 millimeters thick, which is about 1/2 inch. So we probably wouldn't want it quite that thick. Maybe closer to 8 millimeters, something like that. And I would probably print this as a solid, maybe. So we don't have 100% infill. So it's a nice, solid, heavy duty, probably out of PET G. But I mean, you could make a temporary one out of PLA, I suppose. And if it breaks, well, you could just print another one. But that is how easy it is to recreate this very easily using Inkscape and Bambu Studio. Thanks for watching.